What's up everyone, and happy Saturday. In today's video, we're going to go over the next 4 stocks to potentially short squeeze. So I know most people at least saw the crazy movement out of SPRT this week. This thing exploded. It went from like $7 to $8 all the way up to like $60 on Friday. It literally exploded. It was a short squeeze and it went crazy, right? We have seen some crazy short squeezes over the past year, especially with GameStop and AMC. And, you know, the thing with them is, like, when these stocks, like, get momentum, they really explode. As, like I said, we saw with GameStop, AMC, a lot of other ones, and SPRT. So, I just want to make a quick video highlighting some of the next stocks to potentially short squeeze. And the first one on that list is BBIG. This stock is up around 81% on Friday alone. They have a reported short float of around 50%, which is pretty high, and there definitely is potential for it to squeeze. If we look back on like a max weekly chart, we can see it has these just like crazy explosive run-ups at different points, you know, throughout its chart history. It has a lot of volume coming in, as we can see on the like bottom portion of the screen where my cursor is. You know, we can see the normal volumes anywhere from like, you can say like 3 to 5 million shares traded on any given day. But on Friday, it had around 238 million shares traded, which is quite a bit. It's a lot. IV's also creeping up. It had a lot of buyers come in clearly on Friday, and you know, it was just like a straight uptrend, and it actually exploded in after hours too. So we can see it close at $5.30, but in after hours it ran all the way up to $7.70 or so. So either way, definitely keep this one on your radar. I'm actually seeing a lot of people start to talk about it, like on Wall Street Bets and stuff too. So definitely keep it on your radar. It's a potential play. With the next one, we have BB. This one also had a little bit of hype, not as much as BBIG. This one's up around 4.5% or so. The reported short flow is only around 9%, so it's not as much as BBIG. However, BB has a strong history of exploding up whenever these short float or, you know, these short squeeze setups happen. If we look back throughout history, like when GameStop and AMC exploded up the first time, like BB was also a part of that. You know what I mean? Like we could see it had an explosive run up in January, and then also again back in like the beginning of June. So it has a strong history of having these run ups. So definitely keep it on your radar. And with the next two, these ones are definitely more, I guess you could say, widely known. AMC had a decent week this past week. It ran up pretty well. The reported short float is around 20%, so I know some people say it's a lot higher than that, but the reported short float's around 20% or so. It's holding its ground. You know, the AMC, Clover, and a lot of short squeeze setups had a lot of attention this week, so I think it's worth keeping an eye on. And then the last one is CLOV with the short float of around 15%. I like this one. You know, it's definitely risky, but, you know, given the risk-reward ratio, I like it. Like I said, it's very risky. Do your own research. But looking at the chart, the risk-reward level is pretty awesome in my opinion. Right now it's at around like $8.60. Let's say your stop loss was at, I don't know, $6 or so, and your profit target's at 16. You know, like the risk-reward ratio is pretty good. Like I said, it's risky, so do your own research. But out of the 4 stocks that I just listed, BBIG does have the highest short float. So, you know, like when GameStop and AMC exploded up a couple months ago, they had crazy high short floats. Like I think GameStop was like 120% short float or 115% short float, some crazy number like that. So the higher that number, generally the higher the squeeze will be. But, you know, there's a lot of variables that come into play. You know, SPRT exploded up. So I hope this video helped you. It's quick and to the point. If you liked the video or if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. I post brand new videos every single day. And if I missed a stock that you think has potential to squeeze, let me know in the comments down below. I definitely like to take a look at them, and I'm sure a lot of other people will be looking in the comments down below. So like I said, if I missed something, let me know in the comments down below. But other than that, have an amazing weekend.